Built in 1890, the flexible floor plan of this historic home is filled with tremendous amounts of handsome woodwork and handcrafted details. The extensive entry hall welcomes guests with a lovely fireplace and a charming window seat. Off the hall is a warm living room which enjoys built-in shelves and an oversized window that helps to create a relaxing atmosphere. The chef's kitchen boasts top-of-the-line Viking appliances, granite countertops, and a breakfast area surrounded by large windows. Completing the main level is a fireplace dining room that has been utilized as a family room in the past. French doors walk out from the dining room to the rear deck that overlooks the private fenced-in yard. On the second level is a beautiful master suite with an ensuite bath featuring a glass door shower and access to a private home office. 2 additional bedrooms share a full bath on this floor. The top level of the home has fully independent access via a lovely spiral rear staircase. A full bath and space for up to 3 bedrooms allow you to create a suite for an au pair, in-law, or guests. Walk to the locally owned cafes and boutiques that line the streets of Wayland Square, Wickenden Street, and Ives Street. College Hill is home to the renowned campuses of Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design and its illustrious museum. Downtown Providence is minutes away, and along with a convenient commuter rail, is home to an incredible array of theaters and dining options. For more information, please visit the property website or call Rebecca Mayer at area code 401-447-8040.